Removes those ugly dark spots on your neck, underarms, between legs in just 15 minutes. After this you will forget you had them. Love this recipe. Dark spots on the skin are a common problem for millions of people. They usually appear on the hands, face, armpits, and crotch and are an aesthetic problem which can ruin your self-esteem. If you've suffered from dark spots in the past, you already know that it's almost impossible to remove them. People try everything and would give everything to eliminate them, but most methods just don't work. Most of these products and treatments are also expensive and time-consuming, so it's best to try another solution. If you've been looking everywhere for answers without success, you're at the right place. The appearance of the stains is sometimes an indication of serious health problems, so it's best to visit a doctor whenever you notice them. If you want to remove them easily and effectively, you need to prepare the following remedy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Instructions: mix the ingredients until you get a homogeneous mixture, then apply it on the affected areas and leave it to work for 20 minutes. Rinse with water in the end and repeat the process every day for best results. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. Thank you for sharing your time with me and have a nice day.